little safe and sane demo for you people. And tonight we got world-class fireworks. And we have a novelty item called Patriot Sticks. And oh, are they flammable. And definitely not intended for indoor use, unless you're on drugs. So here we go. Whoa, whoa. So you can see them here, right? I'm just gonna go like this. You got a red, white, and blue. You got the caution in the back. Okay. You got all kinds of good stuff over here. And then, right, you come on down. Patriot Sticks. So we're gonna get them out of the bag, and when it gets dark, we're gonna head on over and we're gonna light some Patriot Sticks. Are you with me? You know where we gotta go? Off to the that way launch pad. All right, so we made it to the launch pad. Let's go ahead here, and you could see we got the 3 Patriot Sticks ready to go. So we're going to go with the red first. Let's see. It's not working. Do I have it upside down? Maybe I do. Oh, you know what? Stand by. Stand by. Had them all upside down. Okay, let's do this one here. Oh my God. Let's see. There we go. Upside down. Nice going, BBQ Rando. Whoa. Now that is gorgeous. Hey, you know, live and learn. Whoa! That is burning beautiful. Now, I gotta tell you, it was the white Patriot Stick, and that is as clear as day as you're all witnessing with BBQ Rando. So what I'm gonna have to do when this one's over, I'm going to have to stop the video, flip them over. I'm like, I wonder why it's not writing. Oh, well. Oh, man, world-class fireworks. These are amazing. Oh, that was so cool. All right, so I'm going to flip this one over. Okay, and I'll just put it in there. Let me get this one. And I had a little extra part of the launch pad in there. So let's see. Okay, now that's going to hold. All right, here we go. All right. Well, we wanted to go red, white, and blue. Let's go red next. And you know what? Let's do blue at the same time. There we go. Oh, awesome. And they are red and blue. That's beautiful. All right, if you guys see these, get them. Awesome novelty. This is like a morning glory on steroids. Whoa. All right. Oh, they evened out again. There we go. These are gorgeous. I'm telling you. Buy as many as you can get. Safe and sane, baby. Whoa. All right. The blue outlasted the red. But you know, we're going to say with the neighbor dog, BBQ.